Do you know the sound a rabbit makes? Well, if you don't know, you will learn today. When a bunny is scared, it makes a high-pitched shrieking sound. When a bunny is mad, it makes a grunting sound and may bite after, so don't get near it. Bunnies also make another sound, which is. Now I will demonstrate with this white bunny and a piece of paper. Piece of paper and white bunny. Check that out. How's this?
It also may bite your paper.
It's eating.
Just don't use an important piece of paper since they might bite it up. That's an important piece of paper. Or not. They also make somewhat of a fart sound. Wait, let's just get her all calm. Look at those beastly nails. You could also... I'm scared. Okay, let's just calm her down. Okay. There we go. Now, sometimes if you run at a bunny or charge at it, it might make a wee 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 sound.
Oh, and
because
don't touch
its double chin with your fingers. It might bite. But if you have a trained bunny, that's another story. I'm touching your butt, I'm touching your butt, I'm touching... Okay, let's finish it. Let's do the big finale. No, get away, get away. Get your hand away. Get your hand away. I'm gonna do the big finale. Minnie, your hair's in the camera. Dun, dun.